Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. All of our bags are packed, and like the last travel vlog, this isn't really DIY or home improvement, but my wife and I, we really want to travel and explore the world. We think that is healthy for a happy home lifestyle. Travel vlog number 2, let's go. We are staying with our uncle in Taiwan. Here is his upstairs. He has a mahjong room. That's pretty cool. And the bathroom laundry. We will be staying in here, going to unpack a little bit and go get breakfast. First stop after breakfast. My parents are in there getting some paperwork done. There are a ton of scooters in Taiwan. Makes a lot of sense. Seems like a smart way to get around town. We are all done running errands and did a little bit of shopping, having lunch at 11th Street in Hsinchu, Taiwan. Going to go sightseeing after this. This is our old house. Now it's a bike shop. I don't remember any of it because we moved out of here when I was 2. My dad's dental office used to be in there, and we would live upstairs in those 2 stories. We are back at my uncle's house. The plan is to use this as home base. We are going to pack smaller luggages for Japan. Let's get that done. These are the 2 we are going with and our carry-ons. But those 2 and some random stuff will be staying here. Video number 137 done.